everybody, I hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Alicia Masters, and if you are thinking to buy or sell property in and around the Puerto Vallarta market, I am your girl. Normally I take you guys on beautiful home tours and show you all kind of properties that are for sale on the market here in Vallarta. I am going to do that. I'm not going to go off of what I normally do. But today what I wanted to show you is the Colonia Caloso. It's located just over this little bridge that you see behind me right here. Why, you might be asking, do I want to tell you guys about Caloso? Well, if you are looking for the very next up and coming part of town, that is exactly what Caloso is behind me. You are literally just about 17 minutes walk until you get over to the beach, about 7 minutes walk if you just cross over this bridge. You are right in the heart of the romantic zone. One of the reasons that I love Caloso so much is because it is old Vallarta. If you can think of what the romantic zone looked like many years ago, before all the big towers came and all the big nightclubs and restaurants and bars and just all that we love the romantic zone for now, but it's more of a residential area, that's what you're going to find back here in Caloso. Also, if you just come right over this bridge, you are only a couple of blocks until you get to the Emiliana Zapata Mercado. That's a place where you can go and you can buy fresh fruits, fresh vegetables. They have a carniceria, which is a butcher shop there, and they also have a seafood vendor back there as well. So if you were just walking out of your condo and you're coming right over here into the romantic zone, bars, shops, cafes, art galleries, you literally have the beach, you literally have everything all within a stone's throw of you, but you have the convenience of coming across this little bridge, going into a quiet residential neighborhood. And I also wanted to mention the main reason why I wanted to introduce you guys to Caloso is we have a brand new development that I am featuring called Cacti. Cacti is a boutique development that has 9 condos only. And for only 9 condos, the list of amenities is extensive. You have a rooftop infinity edge pool. There is a jacuzzi there, a fire pit, a barbecue station area, a bar. Then you go to the back of the development. You have a co-work space. There's a gym there. There's even a spa services room. You literally are checking all of the boxes that you or your clients might want if you're wanting to get into an Airbnb style investment business. Now, you might be asking, what about the prices? These are all 1 and 2 bedroom condos, starting off as low as $180,900, and you can get into the penthouse less than $350,000 US. This is unheard of. This is affordable luxury. You are in the right place at the right time. That is what the investment is here for Cacti. But before we get into anything else Cacti, let's go explore this Colonia, guys. Let's go. Welcome to the bridge that pretty much separates the romantic zone from Colonia Caloso. Just gonna kind of give you guys a good 360-degree view. You can see that we're passing over the Rio Quale here, and just to kind of give you your bearings so you know where we are, this is the Oasis Development. This is a brand new development that just started delivering units not that long ago. As you can see, it's a lively neighborhood. But I just want to give you an idea of everything that you're going to see as you're coming in. So, you know, we have the kiosco, which is kind of like a convenience store, kind of will have everything that you need there. And then one of the things that I think is so cool, I mean, this is Mexico. This is why you move here. You have all of like these little, let me see if I can get around this guy, all these little like mom and pop style or grocery stores that really have everything that you need. Right next door, the Quack House Grill. This is a brand new restaurant that just opened up not too long ago. And then there's even a little cafe that has opened up as well. I'm just gonna kind of continue to walk right around so that you can get an idea. This is a tacos birria. I mean, this is the heart and soul of Mexico. Exactamente. That is why you come here, guys. This is the charm of this neighborhood. You're close enough to the romantic zone, close enough until all the bars, shops, and restaurants and everything that you might need, but then you're farther enough away where you have this local town feel. As you can see here, this is a lavanderia, so if you didn't want to do your own laundry, you definitely have a place to do it here. And then this is a brand new cafe that just opened. Right around the corner, I want to show you guys Lafina. Let's go check that out. So this is restaurant Lafina. They're not quite open yet, but I just wanted to kind of give you guys a little look of what everything looks like from the outside. Go on the Google, you will see the reviews for this place. It is absolutely delicious, and as you can see, it has all of the charm. This is a house. It's owned by uncle and his nephews are the ones who do the restaurant here. They only serve on the outside, and then I think they have a couple of tables inside, but this is their primary living. This is literally what you're going to see happening here in Caloso, where you have these families that are taking these beautiful traditional Mexican style homes and turning them into restaurants. If you have not been to Lafina, you have not heard about it before, this is definitely a seafood restaurant you do not want to miss on. Again, Lafina. All right, let's go check out the park next. I was getting out to show you guys on the way to the park. As you can see, this is the paleta man if you're looking for popsicles. So this is a cute little park located here in Caloso. It's very traditional Mexican style. You have a nice little place that you can come, bring your kids, hang out at. There's even a couple of basketball courts over here, or a basketball court I should say. So if you wanted to come and play basketball, you have that as well. Now they have like these little fairs that come, and this whole entire place gets completely filled up. They have like amusement rides and all kinds of things like that. This is just what I was telling you. This is old Vallarta. This is Mexican charm. This is if you're looking for something, you want to be in a traditional Mexican neighborhood, that is what this is. Directly across the way, you have a beautiful church here. I think they have something going on over there. This is just when you want that real Mexican charm and you want to be in a traditional style neighborhood, that is what you are going to have here. Okay, so now you've had a chance to see the park. I've shown you one of the really good restaurants here. Let's make our way now. I want to show you guys Cacti. It's literally just a couple of streets from here. As you come down the street, you're going to see this nice empty lot, and then you are landing at Cacti. So this is going to be a 5-story building. On the ground floor, you've got 4 parking spaces. There are 6 storage bodegas. There's a 1 2-bedroom on the ground floor, and then you get up to the second level here. Everything on the second level are all 1-bedroom condos, starting off at $180,900 US, and it goes all the way up to right below $350,000 for the 2-bedroom penthouse. This is an excellent choice if you guys are wanting to be in the action, heart of the Caloso, but you're still a stone's throw until you get over to the romantic zone. I just wanted to give you guys a good 360-degree view of everything that you're going to see all around you. Now that you kind of see where Cacti is, I want to take you to another really great restaurant, De Cortez. Alrighty guys, let's go. It's only half a block from here. You're coming down Lactia Street. 222A is where you're going to find De Cortez. It's still pretty early in the day here, so they are still getting set up. It's not yet time, but oh my gosh guys, this is another restaurant that is literally just a block and a half until you get over to where Cacti is. This is a place that you want to come. They have one of the very best short rib tacos that I have ever had, and I just wanted to kind of give you a little walk around so you can see a little lay of the neighborhood. There's another beautiful over $1 million home that was just recently constructed, and it's like 3 properties down from Cacti. So you can really see that the neighborhood is starting to change and gentrify. I mean, look at this here, Cerrita. You could easily turn this into a restaurant. You could turn this into a little cafe. I mean, there's endless possibilities. Everything is all coming in here. It's kind of hard to see, but there's a lot of opportunity here. And this neighborhood is just a quiet little neighborhood right behind all of the action. I like how you have just these little sitting areas out of nowhere. Tranquil, peaceful, super cute, off the beaten path. Had this have been maybe 5 years ago or even more than 5 years ago, you wouldn't really see too many expats coming back here. And now, as everything does, when things start to get really super expensive, then the outer areas are the places where people are going to start looking, when you want to be walking distance to all of the action, but you don't want to pay, you know, double what the cost of things should normally be. That is what Colonia Caloso is. You are right place at the right time. You're getting a little taste here of what the neighborhood looks like. I'm literally just walking from De Cortez so that you can take a look and see. I mean, this whole thing here is available for purchase. Right around the corner from this is a brand new construction. So the same builder who's building Cacti built Casa Muchos Sueños, House of a Lot of Dreams. This is over $1 million construction, and it's absolutely so beautiful. I want to just kind of walk to the side so you can get an idea of exactly how big this construction is. So it's 3 levels, and then there's another little casita up here, but you can see, look how beautiful this home is. And this is literally 3 properties away from when you're going to come over to Cacti. So let's just continue making our way so you guys have a little bit more of an idea of what the neighborhood is going to look like. And remember, if we were in the romantic zone, these condos would be starting off at $500,000 for a 1-bedroom. These are starting off at $180,900. You are able to get into here, get your rental going. If you're looking as an investor, this would make a fabulous, fabulous, fabulous choice. So as you see, we just turned the corner. You have this nice big empty lot here. I do believe that's going to go available for purchase here soon. And if you are interested to buy the lot that's next to Cacti, let me know. I do know who the owner is, and we can easily make that happen. But look, here you are. You're ending at Cacti. Okay, there's one more thing that I wanted to show you guys, and that is the Emiliana Zapata Mercado, which is only like a 5 to 7 minute walk from here. Let's go check that out. Welcome to the Mercado here. It's the Emiliana Zapata Mercado. The one that you're seeing right now, this is the Mercado Baca. This is one of my favorite places to come here. You can get all of your fruits, all of your vegetables here. There's all these other little vendors here. This is like the guy that you can come to. There's the ice cream man is here. I just want to walk around to give you guys a whole view of everything that you'll see in the Mercado here. They're getting something there, and then you have another Mercado here. They're all open at different times, so some of these places you'll be able to get into, the other ones close a little bit earlier. You can get everything that you need here. This is no reason to go to a normal grocery store. You want eggs? Look at this, no problem. They have fresh eggs. I'm just gonna keep walking a little bit down. This is a luncheria. You can come here and get fresh fruits, fresh vegetables. She makes all different kinds of stuff there. This is just one of those little kind of tiendas where you can see they have all different kinds of merchandise you can buy here. This is a tortilleria where they're hand making tortillas. You can buy chips from there. We're gonna keep walking. I want you guys all to see this is all within just a few minutes over from Colonia Caloso. You just are gonna come right across the bridge that I showed you earlier, and this is what you're walking into. So I kind of like this one that you're gonna see here. This is a little bit more of a specialized one. They have like fresh produce that you can buy from here, fresh meats. They have a little bit more specialty items that you're not gonna see in other places. Then you walk over, this is the butcher shop. You can see here, chicken, beef, all kinds of stuff there. Keep going around, you have another butcher shop, and then they also have, we're gonna walk out, because they do have fresh seafood that you can get here as well. I mean, just everything and anything that you're going to need is in this area. I think the seafood places are closed. It's actually a little bit later in the day when I'm arriving here. Yeah, and I don't see that they're open. I see that they are closed. I think they were across the street. But anyways, you get the idea, guys. Literally everything that you could have or that you could need, you can get from here. And then there's other little carnicerias. Another butcher shop is there. And then along the way, you have more tiendas and stores that all sell fresh vegetables and stuff too. So this is, you're just coming right down the street. You're crossing over. This is where we were here for taking the bridge to come. And you can see just after the bridge, you're literally 2 blocks and you're getting over here to the Emiliana Zapata Mercado. All right, guys, now let's get into a quick recap. So past the fish market, or past the Mercado, and this is where you can see the fresh fish and seafood. I just want to kind of walk just a bit down the street, headed back towards Caloso, just so you can see this is another like kind of like grocery store. They literally have everything. You do not need a car to come here to live here, because there are so many little stores all within walking distance of where you are. I mean, these places go on and on and on. This has a pharmacia in the very back. I'm just going to keep showing you guys everything that you'll see. This is like a little nail salon. This is a restaurant, tortas, quesadillas, then, you know, tacos al pastor. The guy's getting ready to get the whole spit going there. So this is your neighborhood, guys. This is what you're going to see, a little store here that has electronics all on your way. Ah, look, it's the Paleta man again. Welcome to the neighborhood. All on your way to get over to Cacti. So now that you guys have kind of like a little bird's eye view of what the neighborhood looks like, let's go and get into a recap. Alrighty, now that you guys have a good idea, a little bit of an idea of what Caloso looks like, let's kind of get into some details one more time. I wanted to show you guys Caloso because I wanted you to know what is the neighborhood all about that Cacti is in. It is in a very up and coming part of town. You've got lots, as you can see, of things that are walking distance all around you, places to eat, places to shop, cafes. You've got literally all kind of things all right around you here. It's a really good option. The one bedrooms are starting off as low as $180,900, and the penthouse unit, the 2-bedroom penthouse unit, is less than $350,000. Look in the description down below if you would like to see more information out about this development and how you can get in contact with me. Also, I'll put my phone number here, so if you guys want to reach out to me, WhatsApp is the best way to reach me for the fastest reply. I get so many emails every single day. That's kind of everything. If you guys have any questions or you want to know more about Caloso or the development Cacti, make sure you follow me on this channel. I do 2 to 3 videos a week of properties that are for sale on the market here in Vallarta. That is my time. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tour. We'll catch you at the next one. Bye guys, peace.